Hey everyone, the Anbernic RG Cube gaming handheld, which offers high-performance retro gaming capabilities in a small pocket-sized form factor, has been introduced to the global market. With its ability to simulate numerous ancient platforms, such as the Dreamcast, PSP, N64, PS2, and Wii, this multi-purpose handheld gives players a portable option to play their preferred retro games. There are 4 different color variations of the Anbernic RG Cube: beige white, black, gray, and radiant purple. It has joysticks with RGB lights that can be adjusted, adding a contemporary visual element. The RGB backlit joysticks improve the device's aesthetic appeal with a variety of lighting settings, including breathing and rainbow effects. Sharp and colorful images are guaranteed by the handheld's 3.95-inch IPS display, which has a resolution of 720 by 720 pixels. The Unisoc Tiger T820, together with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 flash storage, powers the RG Cube's internal components. The device has a microSD card reader for people who require more storage. The RG Cube's sturdy hardware configuration makes it capable of handling challenging emulation tasks, such as playing PS2 games at 1.5 times their original resolution, which improves clarity and the overall gaming experience. With a 5200 mAh battery that can last up to 7 hours on a single charge, the RG Cube is a good choice for prolonged gaming sessions. It has a contemporary and intuitive UI, and is powered on Android 13. Smooth wireless performance is ensured by connectivity options, such as dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Additionally, the device has a USB-C port that supports DisplayPort Alt mode, which enables it to be charged and connected to external monitors, for a more immersive gaming experience. A $10 discount is currently being offered on the Anbernic RG Cube Gaming Portable until June 11. Retro gaming aficionados now have a great chance to own this high-performance device at a lower cost, thanks to this promotion. The RG Cube is available in multiple versions to suit varying storage requirements and price ranges. The 128 GB microSD card model was originally priced more, but it is now available for $174. The 256 GB microSD card model was originally priced higher, but it is now available for $159. Originally costing more, it is currently only $189. Anbernic RG Cube is a unique handheld gaming device that blends nostalgia for old-school games with cutting-edge technology. It provides a full gaming experience in a small package, thanks to its strong hardware, bright display, and several connectivity choices. An attractive solution that combines the best features of both worlds, the Anbernic RG Cube is perfect for anyone who enjoys vintage gaming, or is searching for a multi-purpose portable device. Thank you for watching this video. What do you like about this device? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.